each other in a Walmart. The only chance they have of finding back each other is when
Walmart. What's good, guys? Now we come out, touch out, we'll go Walmart, do a little shopping and thing. Yeah, and we're there with Uncle Man. Yeah. Alright, let's go. So, Ricardo.
Ricardo.
But they that big ugly man. It's like a car man.
I am handsome.
Where? No. Oh, yeah, handsome. Okay, yeah, I get it. Handsome. Oh, yeah, try the vlog too. Mine, you know.
Hey, watch a video now, my boss.
Walmart. Yes, sir. Ooh, can't drive. My youth, you try that stay right by itself, dog. John Star. Eh? I'd like to know. No, I don't want to challenge. Watch out. Just wow, guys. The place is so damn huge. Like, look at that. Wow. But let's go. Yes, sir. It was strange. I'm young still, but little friend for now. You dig? Walmart. Let me come look at work, you know, man. Take lesson, boy. Wow, these are some long sausages. Some very long sausages. What? That's such a. Anyways, anyone? So now we still. Ricardo baby said. No homo on the sausages though. Wait. See you, man. Yeah, I deal with it. You finished? Yeah, we'll finish it, man. Mom. Okay, man. Wow. Oh, he was there when we were fixing the. Yeah, this is right. He was there when we were fixing the thing. Walk for Walmart. Okay. No, but McQueen. By the Aquafina. What's this? McQueen said to buy that water. McQueen. Mega McQueen channel, Aqua family. Shout out to you, dear. See that now? She got an ice mountain. What else? You don't know things set. You see me, I can't left out the cold lady. You see me, I say. And the apple juice. Take out the wiener sachets there. Beer bin. And I'm in straight jeans. The full of sauce like. But them dear yo sweet. Them are dear, I'm cheap man. Them last week, you know, come. Jesus, oh.
That was easy.
And there goes the kill left. Go on, look faster, I'm saying. Go on, faster. Speed up. What, yo?
Look at this dude.
Mind a crash. What's a crash? So guys, we're walking around and everything, and we're conversing in the Jamaican patois. Everybody say look from where you're going. Right? We asking something. Okay, that's what it is. Huh? That tower. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. Yo, chat bad. Guys, I don't know if you can see, but it's actually, it was raining outside and in here cold. It's like somebody turn on. It's like somebody turn on a freeze up on me, guys. Yo, yeah, freeze. But oh my gosh, we need to get adjusted to the weather. Ethan at work right now. I'm supposed to white. But thank you for watching this vlog. It's the end of the vlog. First time at Walmart. Just like if you know the place some more. The rain come down back. But thank you for watching, guys. Touch like, touch subscribe, and shout out to Mega McQueen, Aqua Family, proud member. But yeah. And I'll see you all in another 2 days. So peace out.